Hi, I'm Brad from the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to my newest listing at 17 Burgundy Court in Whitby. This is a beautiful custom-built bungalow featuring over 4,000 square feet of living space. And to top it all off, it's on a huge pie lot. Come in and check it out with me. When you walk into this home, you're going to be greeted by a huge open floor plan. You'll see you have a great dining room and a sitting area, which follows directly into a beautiful gourmet kitchen, granite counters, and everything you need, including an eat-in area. But that's not to forget that you also have a huge family room with a vaulted ceiling. What a great main floor and living space. The north side of this bungalow has some great features, including this main floor office with gleaming hardwood floors, a beautiful picture window at the front, and leads down the hall to your main floor laundry. And who doesn't like that feature? Continuing on this main floor, you're in the primary bedroom right now, featuring an ensuite bath, a walk-in closet, and a walkout to a deck in your backyard. But the house doesn't finish there. There's another bedroom and another full bathroom still on this floor. And now we're in the lower level. If you didn't have enough living space upstairs, take a look down here. You've got a beautiful open concept wet bar, family room area, and dining area. Just down the hall, you're going to find an additional 2 huge bedrooms, a 5-piece bathroom, and an additional walkout to the yard. We finally made it to the backyard, and what a backyard it is. Just to remind you, it's a huge pie lot, 186 feet across the back, but there's also multiple levels of decks, sitting out for patio furniture, or just relaxing and having that cold beverage on a quiet evening. You're gonna love it here. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful home. If you'd like to book a private tour, please call us above to arrange it. And if you like this video and you want to see more of them, please click and subscribe below.